thing this one can do is just be a teacher, apparently.
Because I'm just a teacher, I can't do anything else.
See? And she was in a really bad place.
I was in a really bad place when I left teaching earlier this year.
Which is obviously seriously not good. And she almost made me cry with what she said next.
I had like talking therapy and stuff like that. But from doing your course, like learning from you, you are so, I'm gonna get emotional. You are so inspirational and incredible. And I've learned so much from you. And you've really helped me as a person, like to grow and to understand who I am and understand my values and, you know, and believe in myself, to know that I can do it. And yeah, so it's been just worth it just for that as well. So thank you so much.
Right, I was literally welling up. So obviously I had to give her a hug.
Let's have a hug.
So that's obviously amazing, but the whole point of teachers leaving the education system to join my program, T2C projects, to help them create a really successful life coaching business for kids, is to obviously get clients and obviously get money. So Laura, what did you get? What did you make? How long did it take you? Let's go.
Made just under £3,000.
Nice.
And that's in a month.
Which is definitely not bad, considering Laura was working only roughly around about 8 to 9 hours a week, earning that much when she was actually earning that much working something like 50 hours a week as a teacher. But anyway, did she enjoy it? What did you think?
Absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
I've loved the training, watching the videos, learning all the techniques, and then trying them out. I've loved being part of the community and the groups, getting feedback from everybody else, getting to chat to everybody and see what everybody else is up to, what everybody else is saying, where everybody's up to, and also meeting everyone as well when we went to Halton. That was probably the highlight.
But Laura, before you actually invested your time and money in the program, you were really scared and fearful of that one thing. What was it?
And actually, that one thing that you were scared of about not getting clients and who would want to work with me, you got clients though, right?
Yeah.
So this is good, actually. After 16 weeks, how many have you got?
I've got 8 clients at the minute.
That's amazing. That is
Yep.
amazing. So 8 clients,
Yeah.
and paid clients, because that's important.
Yeah. Well, every single one's paying.
Life coaches charge anywhere between 50 to 250 pounds an hour. Where are you on there?
80 at the minute. Yeah.
That's crazy. So you
Yeah.
did that literally.
Yeah. So
So a little bit better than your teacher wage then back in the day?
oh my God, yeah, I love it.
So, Laura, just between you and me, there are a few teachers that I've spoken to that think, I don't think any parents will be interested in having their child life coached by me in my area. How have you found that?
I get so much interest. So many, like I said, I've got quite a few. I've got another call on Friday. I think I've got, what day is it today? Wednesday. I've got one tomorrow. Or I might have 2 on Friday. I can't remember. I need to check my diary. But I get a lot of interest, a lot of like messages, emails, just asking for more information. So it's it's really, really good.
That's amazing. So lastly, why did you make that decision to do this instead of being trapped in the education system for the rest of your life?
Like I said, I was like, I had nothing to lose. So I thought, why not jump in and do it? And I spoke to my husband. I've got a very supportive family behind me, and my husband and my dad and my mum, they were all like, go for it, Laura, just do it. So I was like, okay.
Honestly, that human being is absolutely phenomenal. I am so happy and so privileged to have her part of our amazing community. If you're a teacher and you're kind of fed up with where you are right now in your life, it's understandable considering the state of the education system right now. Red tape, bureaucracy, toxic leadership, marking, planning, report writing, blah, blah, blah. No PPA time, blah, blah, blah. But if you're thinking, I've had enough of that, all I want you to do right now is just reach out to me, okay? I'll leave you a personal voice note. Just drop me the message, Kid Coach, and I will get back to you straight away and explain to you exactly what I explained to Laura when she joined. And you could possibly, who knows, get the results that Laura's been getting, and she's continuing to get that success. So I'm really, really proud of her. Anyway, have a cool day, and remember, stop being indoctrinated by a broken system.